Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX. Yeah, what a great acceleration! From 0 to 100 in only 3.1 seconds. That's very fast for that power, very nice. And it was way faster than the previous model I tested, the Z1000 SX. Yeah, and the launch itself was pretty easy. And what you had to consider is that the first gear just slightly goes above 100 kilometers per hour. So if you want to have a good 0 to 100 and a good 0 to 200, you had to shift very correctly at just slightly above 10,000 RPM. So just slightly before the rev limiter sets in. But it worked pretty well. Due to the low temperatures, I activated the traction control, but it was at the lowest setting, so it was not off, but at the lowest setting, and it worked pretty good. Because at the launch, at the wheelies, it felt like it was not cutting too much power, because it did very high wheelies at the launch, but it worked pretty well, I would say. So have fun and ride safe.